Your 20s are a whirlwind. Finishing school, landing your first job, maybe moving out, making new friends, chasing dreams. Money often takes a back seat, but this is the decade that can either set you up for success or trap you in regret. Here are 7 common money mistakes people make in their 20s and how to avoid them with honesty, experience, and heart. 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. It's tempting to spend your entire salary the moment it hits your account. Rent, food, Netflix, a night out with friends, and suddenly you're broke by the 20th of the month. Why it's a mistake? Living paycheck to paycheck keeps you one emergency away from financial stress. What if your laptop dies? What if you lose your job? No savings means no safety. What to do instead? Start small. Save just 10% of your income every month, no matter what. Automate it so it goes straight into a savings account. Build a habit, even if it's just 500 rupees or $50 at first. Over time, this grows into your emergency fund, your travel dreams, your peace of mind. 2. Ignoring budgeting sounds boring and restrictive. You just want to enjoy your money, not track every chai or coffee. But hear this. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about control. Why it's a mistake? Without a budget, you're flying blind. You don't know where your money goes. You feel broke even after earning decent money. And slowly, guilt and confusion build up. What to do instead? Make it simple. Just track your income, fixed expenses, like rent, bills, and variable expenses, like food, shopping. Use a Notes app, Excel, or apps like Mint or Huzainabay. Once you see the numbers, you'll feel empowered, not trapped. 3. Taking debt lightly. Credit cards, EMIs, buy now, pay later. It's all so easy. You get what you want now and worry about payments later. But debt isn't free money. Why it's a mistake? High-interest debt can haunt you. What starts as a 10,000 rupee bill can snowball into 20,000 rupees plus with interest and penalties. You're not spending future money. You're borrowing happiness from tomorrow and paying for it with stress. What to do instead? Use credit only if you can pay it off in full every month. Avoid unnecessary EMIs. And if you already have debt, focus on paying it down. Even a little every month makes a difference. 4. Not investing early. Many people think investing is for the rich or for people in their 30s. But time is your biggest superpower. Why it's a mistake? By waiting to invest, you lose the chance to let your money grow with compound interest. 5,000 ரூபாய் மாதம் 12% வருவாய் 10 ஆண்டுகள் கழித்தால் சுமார் லட்சம் ரூபாய் ஆகும். Wait 5 years to start. You lose over 6 lakh rupees. What to do instead? Start small. SIPs in mutual funds, index funds, or retirement accounts are great places to begin. Even 500 rupees per month makes a difference. Learn as you go. The earlier you start, the richer your future becomes. 5. FOMO spending. Friends are going to Goa. A new phone is trending. That influencer just got those shoes. Social media makes it seem like everyone is living better than you. Why it's a mistake? FOMO spending leads to regret. You swipe your card, feel good for a minute, and then the guilt creeps in. You start living for likes, not your life. What to do instead? Ask yourself, do I really want this, or do I just want to feel included? Delay big purchases by 24 to 48 hours. Practice mindful spending. Spend on what truly brings you joy, not what impresses others. 6. Not learning about money. You might say, I'm not a finance person. But here's the truth. If you earn money, you are a finance person. Why it's a mistake? When you avoid financial literacy, you make decisions based on guesswork or hearsay. That can cost you thousands over time, in poor investments, bad insurance, or missed opportunities. What to do instead? Read one article or watch one YouTube video on money each week. Follow creators who break down finance in simple ways. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad or The Psychology of Money. Knowledge compounds and protects you. 7. Thinking you have plenty of time. I'll save later. I'll invest next year. I'll get serious when I'm 30. These are the most dangerous lies we tell ourselves. Why it's a mistake? Time moves fast. You blink, and suddenly you're 29, wondering where all your money went. The habits you build in your 20s decide whether your 30s feel free or full of catch-up. What to do instead? Start today. Not perfectly. Not with thousands. Just one step. Open that savings account. Make your first investment. Track your spending for a week. Tiny actions lead to transformation. Final thoughts. Your 20s are your foundation. You don't need to be rich in your 20s. You just need to be smart. Make mistakes. Yes. But don't repeat them. Learn. Reflect. Grow. Money isn't everything, but it gives you the freedom to chase everything else. Start small. Start now. Your future self will thank you with tears in their eyes.